How do you two know each other?
He used to serve me milkshakes at the Mystic Grill.
Peanut butter blast. Whipped cream on the bottom. We danced once.
We tried. And then he moved away.
Then you made a door blow off its hinges with your brain. You feel like explaining that?
Oh, we'll explain everything. We're almost there.
Where are we going?
Somewhere safe.
Welcome to the Salvatore School. We're your tour guides.
I'm Josie.
I'm Lizzie. Sisters.
Twins.
Fraternal. Aunts.
Raphael, why don't you go ahead with the girls while I talk to Landon?
Morning, Hope. Morning, girls.
More like despair.
I heard that.
No, you didn't.
Didn't have to.
Everyone behave.
Love you, Dad.
So, let's get started. I'm curious, Landon. Slow down. Were you aware of us when you lived in Mystic Falls?
I knew Hope went to some fancy boarding school. People in town said it was for troubled rich kids. See, the rich part is true. Nobody in town mentioned anyone in here could do that.
No one in Mystic Falls knows much about us. We blend in just enough. Participate, contribute just enough. Keeps people from asking too many questions.
What is there to know exactly?
Well, I used to have a speech prepared carefully on peeling the layers of mystical history, but it turns out most people have read Harry Potter aren't actually cool with me skipping the tea up.
You're a school for magic.
We are a school for the supernatural, which covers a lot of territory. Everyone here has something that makes them special in ways that the outside world wouldn't understand.
So what are you?
I should get to class.
No. No. Sorry. I don't mean to be a dick, but I don't know you. And though the image of you whammying a priest is still fresh, I need you here. Just tell me what all that was in the church last night.
What do you think it was?
Well, as best as I can reason. Either I've lost my mind or werewolves are real. This is beyond insane. How is that even possible?
It's a long story involving an ancient, vengeful witch and a bloodline curse.
We cover all that in Origins of the Species, grade 6.
In 6th grade in my school, we learn the state capitals.
You teach that too.
I have some questions about Raphael.
Like what?
Well, let's start with who he killed recently.